So this is how you synchronize your audio to video in Capcut PC. Open your Capcut PC. Already I've imported the clips I will be working on. You drag and drop them. My audio is beneath the video. Then you select all. You right click on your mouse. So you have this option here, deactivate clip group, create compound clip, and then sync video and audio. So this is what we are going for. So you click on sync video and audio, and it will automatically sync your video to audio. And this is the simple process. You can also go for a manual process, which takes a while, and as video editors go with time. So after you have seen that the video and audio are synchronized properly, you can mute the original video clip. You mute it, then track muted. You see this, so you won't be hearing any noise from the video, but you will be hearing the clip you recorded, the audio clip for it. So you can play around with the volume of the clip of the audio. This is the option for it. You can reduce or add fade in, fade out. What I love about Capcut is that it has features of audio editing, like normalize loudness. This is enhance. This is to enhance voice. But for me, I'm using the free version. I see this is the pro version of Capcut PC. Then we have a free tool here. This is noise reduction. Then it will automatically reduce the noise. You can also go ahead and change the speed of the audio here. Then you can also use these AI tools here, like a voice changer. You can change the voices here. You can add filters, characters, speech to song. Wow, this is amazing. So that is how you can do synchronization between audio and video in Capcut PC. So see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe for more video editing tips.